Hello, good morning guys, this is BossTL again. And welcome Baguio. So we're going to Baguio. Ba't nasa gitna ka? We're going. Alright mga boss, dito na tayo sa checkpoint. Oh, yun, wow. Oh, lisensya mo. Saan ko dito? Hindi na. Just imagine. Oh, yun, oh, wow. Hello, good morning guys, this is BossTL again. And welcome Baguio. So we're going to Baguio. So kasama ko ulit si Jeff of J1000 Motovlog. And it is almost 9 in the morning.
Balik na ba tayo?
Mindanao!
Mindanao na lang?
Oo, diretso na. Hello and Lex. We meet again. Okay, we're going. Makahasard kasi si Jeff eh, so in Bukawe, Bulacan. Ang haba ng pila ng Castaic on the opposite side. The sky is blue, no clouds in sight. Hope it will continue the whole day na sunny and everything's alright. Alright then. Hello, good morning mga boss. This is BossTL again. And right now, as I mentioned, we're headed to Baguio. Susubukan natin kung pwede na talaga makakaya ng Baguio. We don't need a QR pass from Baguio Visita at hand. So wala na daw kasing swab test, wala na other requirements aside from having to register to Baguio Visita. We did our registration yesterday, mabilis lang. We did get our QR code a few minutes after registering. So ang balak lang is balikan. We are not going to stay there overnight. According to Waze, it would just be around 3 hours drive along the expressway, labas Rosario, then up Baguio. Hindi pa namin alam kung mag-Kenan Road or Marcos, but let's see. But for now, let's enjoy the trip. Right? Big bike. Dapat ganyan lang. So, school. Nasa gitna ka. Ba't nasa gitna ka? Alright. So, nagpagas lang tayo, no? Hindi pa tayo nagpapagas eh. So, it's reset to 0 again. And we are now, ayun o, Santa Rita, Bulacan. Time check, it's 9:20. 200 kilometers more to go before we reach Baguio. Alright, that's it, next. We're coming. SCX, here we come. Oh, sabi Kailan na tayo, boss? Then the Visita, 2 kilometers away. Then after that, turn up. Then after Baguio. Bagong bago.
Eventually.
Lekat yan. Alright, time check. It's 10 AM. Dito kami sa Petron sa TVLEX. It's our second stop for gas tank, for gas fill up. Hindi naman ubos pero mabuti na sigurado kasi wala namang mahihintuan dito eh. Abot na to hanggang Baguio, I guess. So doon na tayo magkita. Alright, palis na kami. Alright, we're going. On our way for the Neta. Next section. Alright mga boss, dito na tayo sa checkpoint. Baguio sir. Kasama ko. Thank you. So yun lang. Ayun nga. O pag papunta silang Baguio, I don't think na tipong maghahanap pa sila because they know that there would be several checks that will be done bago pumasok ng Baguio. Okay. So ayun mga boss. So first checkpoint na nakita namin, end of TVLEX. Tinanong lang kung saan kami. Pag sinabi mong Baguio, sige lang, diretso. Not sure pag sinabi mong La Union, eh maghahanap pa sila ng travel pass. But so far, we're doing good. Pag-gas na lang ulit tayo if ever. Okay. La Union hits. Okay, we're now at Fugo. We're going right to Baguio. It is straight up all the way from here. The Rotary Club International Monument. Alright, checkpoint. Merong remnant of checkpoint. May nagmamando pero no, they are not stopping anyone. Lumalamig na. And we're not even at the top yet. Look at that. Woohoo! Hi! Look at that view. Wow! Grabe! Alright, ang lamig! Woohoo! Andito na tayo sa tunnel. We are now at the tunnel going to Baguio. Alright. So far, hindi ito yung Baguio na kagisnan ko, no? Every time na pupunta tayo, mapa-weekday yun or weekend, hindi ganito kaunti yung mga sasakyan. Ang unti ngayon, nakakapanibago. Ito na ata yung pila nung sa checkpoint. Nagpapag na yung ano ko eh. Yan na yan, yan na yan. So, papakita lang muna natin yung QR code plus ng ID. Kasi tignan natin. Alright mga boss, dito na tayo sa checkpoint bago makapasok ng loob ng Baguio. So, pinapasok kami dito. Tapos, we have to go there. Kinuha yung lisensya namin, QR code. Pupunta daw kami sa triage. So, ika nga, kukunin nila yung, kinuha nila yung lisensya. Then, we will be escorted to the triage. Doon magkakaroon ng medical check-up. So, doon tayo papunta ngayon. Sir, kayo yung mag-escort? Sige. So, escortan tayo. Susunod tayo sa kanya. Paalis na. Nasa kanila yung lisensya natin eh. Tara na. So, Baguio na tayo, but we are still going to the triage. Si police officer at front na nasa harapan natin will be leading the way. So, nasa kanya yung lisensya natin, so hindi rin tayo pwedeng magala-gala dito. Mapipilitan talaga tayo sumunod. Anyways, for our own safety naman. Before we left for Baguio, a day prior, we already registered. Tapos, we reported dito sa pinaka-checkpoint nila. The next step is they would be bringing you to the triage center para tignan kung may symptoms ka ng COVID. Nandito na yung triage center nila. So after nun, galing sa checkpoint, dito tayo pupunta. Triage center. So, tara muna. Sir, dito po ba? Teka. Alright. Kunin na yung lisensya. Okay. So, simple checking lang naman. Exit. May pitang health protocols nila. Ma'am, yung mga license dito po?
Okay, sir.
Yes po. Ito po, ma'am.
Hindi, lapit na lang. Sulat na lang po yung pangalan.
Ma'am, kukunin ko ulit to? Hindi na.
Kunin, sir. Baka hanapin sa pumunta.
Okay. Oh, lisensya mo. Tsaka ito sa'yo, baka hanapin daw kasi. So, mga boss, tapos na kami sa triage. So, nakita nyo naman yung ano, the usual medical check lang naman. Health declaration. Tapos, isusoli na sa inyo yung license. Then, you're off to go. Dala mo lang lagi yung form na finila pa mo just in case na hanapin. But then again, kain muna kami. Sige. Okay, papunta na kami sa 50's Diner sa military cut-off. Welcome Baguio. Right mga boss, gusto kami kumain. Bago kami bumaba, ikot muna daw. Itong isa hindi pa masyadong nakakaikot, so dali na natin siya sa usual spot. From dyan, hey first, tapos daan kami sa Mines View. Dadaanan namin yung mansion. Bili na pasalubong, and hopefully uwi na pagkatapos. Kasi kasi hindi rin tayo pwede magpagabi. Alright? Alright mga boss, sarado ang Cannon Road as usual, pababa. So anyway, hindi kami makakapag line said. kasi sarado yung Cannon Road pababa. So we're going back Marcos Highway, going back. Alright guys, we're going. So we're on our way back home. Hindi na kami makakadaan ng Lion's Head. And yun lang, unti lang naman talaga pinuntahan namin dito sa Baguio. It's more of experiencing our long travel, tsaka tignan yung situation ngayon sa Baguio, kasi tinanggal na nga daw yung yung mga quarantine requirements. So yun, at least hopefully may nakuha kayong information, tips. I guess that would be all for today. Babalik na kami ng Manila. And with that, I guess I'll end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do like and share the video. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to BossTL PH and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of our new uploads. Alright? And as I always say, stay awesome, stay safe. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.